Hello friends, welcome to the world of KenKen. In today's video, we are going to solve a 4x4 KenKen puzzle. All the rules remain the same. The only difference is, now in spite of 1, 2, 3, we can use number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's start with the smallest cage, which is this one. What is equal to 4? 4 is equal to 4. If we bring our attention to this particular cage, as you can see, there are two boxes. The operator is plus and the result is 7. So how I can add two number to get 7? It is 3 and 4. But can I write 4 over here? No, because it would be a repetition of the number. So I will fill this box with 3 and this would be 4. So far so good. Let's say in this particular cage, it is again having two boxes. The operator is subtraction and the target number is 3. So I have to subtract two number to get 3. So it is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. But can I write 4 over here? No, because again it would be a repetition. So I will write 1 over here and 4 over here. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So my this cage is satisfied. Now very beautifully you can see 4 has come in this particular box for this column, in this particular box for this column, in this particular box for this column. So it has to fall over here so that it is not repeated in either row or a column. Now when one number is 4 and I have to subtract something from 4 so that the result has to be 1. So we know what number is going to be here. It has to be 3 because there is only one way when 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now see in this particular column, we have already used 1, we have already used 3 and 4. So the only number which can come over here is 2, and what divided by 2 gives you 2. Now there are two possibilities. This number can be 4, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, or it can be 1, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Can I write 4 here? No, because 4 is already here. So this box has to be filled with 1. We can also get to this conclusion because 2, 3 and 4 is already being occupied in this particular row. So the only way we can fill this box is by using number 1. Let's go some further. This one, for example. So it says there are two boxes and the operator is minus and the result is 2. So how I can subtract two number so that the result is 2? Now over here we have many options. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and I am not sure what is going to be here. So we leave it for the time being. Let's try this one. Again, subtraction, the result has to be 1, and my options are, we cannot use 1, we cannot use 4. So it has to be 2 and 3. But where 2 and where 3, we are not sure. Okay, so we leave it again for the time being. We don't do guesswork in KenKen. Now try this one. There are 3 boxes, when multiplied together give you 4. How is it that possible? It is possible by taking 2 into 2 into 1. So these are 3 numbers, 2, 1, 2, when multiplied together give me 4. Now I cannot repeat 2 in the same column or row. So what I am going to use, I am going to write it at the diagonal position. 2 here and 2 here. So 2 into 2 is 4 and this would be 1. So 2 into 1 into 2 is 4. Now as I mentioned earlier, we can repeat a number in a cage as far as they are not in the same column and same row. So in this particular case, these two are at diagonal position, so they are not voiding any rule of KenKen. So we have done so far. Now that brings us to a situation over here where we know I cannot use 4, I cannot use 2. So for filling these two particular boxes, I have to use 1 and 3. Now can I write 1 here? No, because 1 is already here. So this has to be 3 and this has to be 1. Now we don't have to think any further, it is pretty obvious. In this particular row, if you see, I have already used 1, 3 and 4. So what number will come over here? Have I heard 2? Yes. And what number will come over here? I have used 4, 2 and 1. This has to be 3. Voila. We have solved this puzzle. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please watch for more. Bye.